What is the key thing or the real thing you should be learning to understand in Forex? Price action behavior. Yes, you heard me right. Price action behavior. But where does it start from? It starts from understanding the individual candlestick, their behavior and characteristics, how they behave in the market, real life scenario. And then you understand how do they behave as a group of candlestick and how do they behave as a pattern of candlestick. It's from there you now move ahead to find out how do they behave in every point of the market, maybe at the beginning, at the middle, or at the upper side of the market. How do they behave? This includes understanding how do they behave at various key zones. How do they behave in a different market cycle? How do they behave in different instruments, especially those ones you are interested in trading? This is the only thing that will help you to understand the market in such a way that you come to realize that 100% win rate is possible. If you have not gotten to that point, you are still a gambler in the market. Perhaps those of you that claim to be profitable, you are just a gambler with higher level of predictability that helps you to maintain a kind of level of win rate, even though it's low, like talking about 30-40% and even 50% win rate. This is an average for me. I see that as an average when there is possible for you to actually have 100% win rate, only when you actually master the market at the back of your hands. Let me tell you, let me remind you of something. Do you know that some of you who really pay attention, let alone those who pay attention to details, you could differentiate the footstep of your best friend from that of your brother, of your mother from that of your father, without even seeing them at all. You can tell who is coming. And when you hear a footstep that you don't know who this is total stranger, you will know it's none of the persons that relate to you or that you know. This possibly is a stranger. How does that happen? It's because of you have been able to observe keenly without even knowing it. Understand these people very well that you can differentiate their footsteps. That is exactly what you need to transfer to the market, because this is the only thing that can help you to understand the market and trade with confidence and be able to trade really like a trader should do, and not the one that is gambling with a better method of gambling.